Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today is going to be a good one today because guess what we're getting rid of? These wheels. Give this car a little facelift. Here, we got tires. Yes, wide one. We got wheels. Yes, new ones in the box. You know, they're all wrapped up though, real nice. Maybe I'll give you a sneak peek. I'll give you a sneak. What they are. Ooh, pretty. Slapped on that big boy over there. We also got some things going on with the Pro Street truck. We're gonna be doing some big changes on that. I'll show you that on the channel a little bit later. We first have to get these wheels and tires off the car. We're gonna transfer tire pressure sending units out of these bad boys onto the other wheels. So let's get cracking. Wheels are off. Now, the only thing is we have a whole lot to load. We got the current set of wheels and tires, the new tires, and the new wheel. I'm gonna have to borrow my dad's truck, take a trip down there, pick that up, come back, load these up, and we'll get this show rolling. Picked up the old man's truck, got all the hardware loaded, original wheels and tires, new tires. So now, get our ass to the tire shop. The guy at the wheel shop said tires are mounted. Let's go get them. All right, guys, I just picked up the wheels and tires. They're loaded up in the back. Let's go get them installed. The house, let's unload these bad pretty boys onto the coat. All right, I got one of them on. Second one for the rear. Let's try one of that YouTube video magic that I always see people do where they snap the fingers and the job just gets magically done. Let's see. Snap. It's not working. Try it again. Snap. Still didn't work. What the hell? All right, one last try. Whoa, it worked. Crazy. Hey, I guess when you start doing YouTube videos, you start picking up some of that magical stuff. Well, that saved me about 10 minutes. Let's get the rest of them on. Sweet baby Jesus, these look good. Check these out, all mounted up. Good brakes, offset is perfect. Great, especially the brakes with the 11s, extra concaved in. Of course, I got the big old 315s in the back. Oh yeah, these look sweet. So, in case you guys are wondering what these wheels are, I'm sure 99% of the whole Camaro society already knows that these are the Z28 wheels, MRR, the best ones that you could get as far as replicas, because there's other ones out there that don't look as nice, they're not as concaved, they just look funky. But these are them, powder coated black, 20 by 10s up front, 20 by 11s in the back, wearing 315 rubbers in the rear, 275s up front, gives it a very nice aggressive look. Oh yeah, just finished it up. A couple questions I have for you guys though. One, should I eliminate the white stripe and go black stripe or solid black hood to complement the rest of the black trim? Should I eliminate the white and just leave it yellow, or should I keep the white? And my second question is these calipers. I got shiny black rims, but I don't know if I want to keep those color calipers. Should I get them? I don't really want to go yellow because that might be too much yellow. Maybe I'll go red. Kind of seems like almost the only option because I don't want to go black because then it just gets lost behind the wheels. I don't think I should go white, especially if I'm going to be getting rid of the white. I don't know, guys. Let me know. But this is it. New wheels on my 2012 SS, looking saucy. Stay tuned for more videos of the Camaro and also my 1,000 horsepower truck that you see back there. We're gonna be doing injection upgrades and a whole lot of cool stuff like that. But until then, see you next time, guys. Peace.